Hey, what's up guys? Listen, this is part 2 to the Mardi Gras video. I made one drink for you guys, which is the purple Mardi Gras punch, okay? And now we are going to make another drink, very colorful drink as well. So I am not going to rehash the ingredients again for the mixture that I'm using for the first part of the drink, because I saved half from the part 1, okay? So I saved half of my mixture for part 1 of just the blended mixture to go ahead and make the second drink. So if you need to recap, it's pretty much limeade, club soda, a little bit of ginger ale, a little bit of a little bit of lemon juice. So that is what I use for the first part of the drink, the mixture, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and add some additional ingredients, okay? So in part 1, I used Kool-Aid, right? We're not using Kool-Aid in part 2. We're going to use something else, okay? I have not added any Seedlip to this. Oh, you guys can't see it? Let me move it in. I haven't added any Seedlip to this at all at this point. It is just the limeade. It is the club soda. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add another club soda to this. And then I'm going to show you guys how this is going to work for part 2 of your drink. So you'll have your purple drink and you'll have your green drink. So ain't nothing left to it but to get into it. Let's do it. So this is going to be easy because I don't have to add a lot more to it. So you can make 2 drinks for the price of 1. You can make 2 drinks with 1 mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and actually add this to my mixture. Some club soda. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of my ginger ale. This is Canada Dry. Wow, I was going to say something else. Canada Dry. Okay. All right. Okay, so next we are going to use our sour apple. Ooh, sour apple. And it is green. Go ahead and put that in there. There's some ice in here. And you don't want to add too much. Too much will kill it, okay? Just a little bit will go a long way. So we're going to go ahead and blend this. We don't really have to blend, but we just mix it. Okay. Go ahead and put a little bit of ice in the cup. Don't matter if it's cubed, don't matter if it's crushed, whatever you prefer. All right, y'all see that? Now once it sets, the color is going to come in a little bit better. Right now it's like more of like a lime green. It's like a lime green right now, but I promise you guys, give it a sec and the color will come. The color will come. All right, so now I am going to pour it up. Tilt it down so you guys can see. y'all, it's time you all been waiting for. It's time to taste and see. Ooh, this looks so good. All right, let's taste it. That's what's most important. Listen, make sure you guys watch the first video to see how to make the limeade mixture. But let's just go ahead and taste. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a sour apple. Whew. It's a sour apple, y'all. This is our SOBARRISTIC sour apple. Really? I really don't want to stop drinking it, y'all. I can't. I don't know what to say, y'all. This is like the best. These flavors are the best. This is the best drink I've made. Club soda, ginger ale. Oh my God. Limeade. A little bit of lemon juice. What else? A splash, a little more than a splash, about 2 ounces of our sour apple cocktail mix, and some ice. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so good. I'm telling you, make this in honor of Mardi Gras. Make it at your parties. Just make it at home because you just feel like making a drink. Whatever. You don't even have to have a reason for making it, but just go ahead and make it, okay? And I'm telling you, you will not be sorry. Go ahead and go into our Instagram page at SOBARRISTIC. Tag us so that I can see your drink and see how you did what you did. And go ahead and make sure you go ahead and follow us on Instagram as well as SOBARRISTIC. And if you're here on YouTube, I hope you subscribe to the channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Feel free to stop by anytime. Check out all the videos. Make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and comment so I know you were here. And turn on those notifications so that you know whenever I post a new video, because I've been trying to push out the content and keep it moving. And yeah, it's a work in progress. I'm trying to do better. So yeah, so you guys go ahead and do all of those things, beautiful things. Stay beautiful. You guys are beautiful. Stay beautiful. Stay encouraged. Stay inspired. Someone actually told me, and it actually lifted me up, is that I inspired them because they're going through their own health journey, and they were like, I've been watching you, and I'm just feeling inspired. So I just want to take this time to tell anyone that's going through any type of health challenges that it will get better. It's okay if you don't feel strong all the time. Sometimes you are not going to feel strong. Sometimes you are not going to feel good. Sometimes you're not going to feel happy. And it's okay. And nobody should make you feel any type of way because you don't feel, joyous all the time. You're not going to feel that way. But surround yourself with people that can fill in for you with the strength, okay? Meaning, when you're weak, they're strong. And they can help you until you're strong enough to be able to help yourself. And that's how it's been going for me. I was in California, came to Illinois, surrounded myself with my family. Yes, there was days I didn't want to keep going. Yes, there was days I was like, I'm not living like this, going through this situation. There were those type of days where I was not in a good headspace, in a good place. And I mean, right now I'm good, but those days still happen from time to time. It was like a lot of bad news after bad news after bad news. And so I was just really in a funk about it. And so, that's what it was. And things are starting to look up a little bit. I'm definitely a lot better. I had a mass. The mass was 10.8 centimeters on my lung. A mass that size is always bad news. Well, they think it's bad news, and they really, by that time, and it's reached that size, it's just too big for them to really even want to actively, aggressively treat like that. But I had a team of doctors. They came up with a plan, and obviously the plan worked, because after a year and about 4 months, now my mass is down to a 2.6. And I'm celebrating that because I felt the weight of having something in me that shouldn't have been in me, and the things that it was doing. It did not spread, y'all. Believe it or not, it did not move outside of that area. And so I'm so grateful for that. And like I said, it can get better. It can get better. Just keep the faith and keep yourself surrounded with strong people, and you'll be fine. And if you don't have anyone to surround yourself with, there's always, I reached out to people on social media groups that were going through what I was going through, and they were a good support system as well. So just find your village, as people say. Find your village, surround yourself with those people, those type of people. Let them be your strength. You're not going to always be strong. Let them be your strength. Let God be your strength and carry you. I don't know. I'm sure you guys have probably seen that footprints in the sand or read it before. It's really true. When you are weak, there are people that are stronger than you. Let them carry you through it until you are able to stand up. And, you know, let God carry you through it if there's no one else around, until you're able to stand up and get through it. But you'll get through it, okay? Stay blessed. Stay watching these videos. Stay watching these videos. And go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today.